To apply for an Affirm loan, start by checking if the merchant you are shopping with offers Affirm as a payment option. Affirm is a financial services company that provides consumer financing for purchases, allowing you to pay for items over time with interest. First, ensure you have a valid U.S. mobile number and are at least 18 years old. Next, select the items you wish to purchase and proceed to checkout. When prompted to choose a payment method, select Affirm. You will then be redirected to Affirm's website, where you will be asked to enter some basic information, including your name, email address, mobile number, and date of birth. Affirm will then perform a soft credit check, which will not affect your credit score. Based on your creditworthiness, Affirm will provide you with a range of repayment options, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. Carefully review these options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected your repayment option, you will be asked to provide additional information, including your social security number and a government-issued ID. This information is used to verify your identity and finalize your loan application. After submitting your application, Affirm will review your information and provide a decision. If approved, you will be able to complete your purchase and begin making repayments according to the terms of your loan. It is essential to make your repayments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. You can make repayments online or through the Affirm mobile app. Before applying for an Affirm loan, consider your financial situation and ensure you can afford the repayments. It is also crucial to review the terms and conditions of your loan carefully and understand the total cost of the loan, including interest and fees. By following these steps and being mindful of your financial situation, you can successfully apply for an Affirm loan and enjoy the flexibility of paying for your purchases over time. Remember to always review the terms of your loan carefully and make repayments on time to avoid any negative consequences.